Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm teaching you how to do addition of all numbers from 1 to 10. It includes both small friend and big friend formula. So let's start the video. Okay, so first we have 1. 1 we can add easily. Then 2. 2 also we can add easily as required beats are available. Now the next number is 3, but we don't have 3 beats available. So now we use small friend concept as upper beat is available here. So we add 5 and subtract 2, plus 5 and minus 2. So the answer is 6. Now we have 4, but we don't have 4 beats available here, and we also don't have the upper beat available to use the small friend formula. So we use the big friend concept. So big friend of 4 is 6. So we subtract 6 and add 10. Now, the next number is 5 and it can be added easily as required beats are available. Plus 5 we can add directly. Now, the next number is 6. To add 6, we use big friend formula. So, big friend of 6 is 4. So, we have to subtract 4 and add 10. But we don't have 4 beats available here. So, we need to use small friend formula first. So, we have to do plus 1, minus 5 and then plus 10. Because minus 4 is equals to plus 1 minus 5. So plus 1 minus 5 and then plus 10. Now the next number is 7 and 7 can be added easily. Now to add 8 we use big friend formula. We need to subtract 2 and add 10. Minus 2 and then plus 10. Now the next number is 9. The big friend of 9 is 1. So we subtract 1 and add 10. Minus 1 and plus 10. Now the next number is 10. So to add 10, we use tens place rod. Now to add 1 in tens place, we use small friend formula. So small friend of 1 is 4. So we add 5 and subtract 4. Plus 5 and minus 4 in tens place rod. So we get the answer 55 by adding all numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a quick revision process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So the answer is 55. Okay, so 1 in 1 we don't use any formula. In 2 also we don't have any formula. In 3 we use small friend formula, that is minus 2 plus 5. In 4 we use big friend formula, that is minus 6 plus 10. 5 we can do directly. 6 we use both small and big friend formula. 7 we don't need any formula. 8 we use big friend formula. 9 we use big friend formula, and 10 we use small friend formula. So this is all about today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the new videos.